Okay guys, look at our breakfast is ready. It's hot. Hey guys, good morning guys. I just want to make my breakfast, then I want to show you guys what I'm going to eat for breakfast. I just finished working out. I just finished jumping rope. Okay, I did 1,500 jumps this morning. I'm done right now and I want to make breakfast. As you can see, I'm still on my workout outfit. I will change. I want to quickly eat breakfast before I go and change. I'm going to take my shower. Then I want to show you guys what I will be making for breakfast. If you want to lose weight, I'm showing you some healthy tips, some early breakfast that will help with the weight loss and also exercise too. Okay, let me show you my. Okay, this is the. Okay guys, look at our breakfast is ready. It's hot. Ooh. This is my hot. Okay, this is the measurement I took. Okay, and I have my milk inside the pot. I'll just pour my pot inside the pot, and also have chia seed. This right here is very good, guys. It's very good. Add it to your bowl of cereal, your bowl of oatmeal. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon. I will add it to it. Okay, then I will stir together. I'll let this cook on a low heat, on a medium heat till it is ready. Okay. Okay guys, this is 2 minutes later. The oatmeal is ready. Then I will turn on the heat, the fire. Then I will pour it inside my bowl. That's it in my bowl. Then I'm going to add my teaspoon of honey to it. You can add sugar, but I prefer you use honey because honey is more better. Stir it well. Then I'll add I have blackberry. I have my blueberry. I mean, I just add a handful of blueberry. You can add a banana if you want to, but I'm using blueberry today. Enjoy. Breakfast is ready. Okay guys, look at our breakfast is ready. It's hot. Ooh. Enjoy. Bon appetit. guys. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys like the video. Healthy breakfast for weight loss. And please don't forget to like the video and don't forget to share the video. Bye. Bye guys.